calculations. What makes custom AI processors so uniquely suited to AI tasks? This is a question that's on the minds of many tech enthusiasts. To answer it, we need to delve into the key features of these processors. First and foremost, custom AI processors are designed to handle large volumes of data. They're specifically built to process and analyze massive data sets that are often associated with AI workloads, making them highly efficient in this regard. Secondly, these processors are power efficient. They're engineered to perform complex tasks at a fraction of the energy cost compared to general-purpose processors. This makes them not only more economical, but also more environmentally friendly. Lastly, custom AI processors can perform complex calculations at high speed. They are optimized for the kind of mathematical operations that underpin most AI algorithms. This means they can crunch numbers faster and more accurately than their general-purpose counterparts. These features make custom AI processors an attractive option for AI developers. So, what does the future hold for AI hardware? As we've discussed, custom AI processors are designed to handle specific tasks, which allows them to outperform general-purpose processors in certain areas. With AI applications becoming increasingly complex and demanding, the potential for these specialized processors is immense. Looking ahead, we're likely to see custom AI processors becoming more prevalent as they continue to evolve and adapt to meet the needs of advanced AI technologies. They'll be at the heart of devices and systems, enabling faster data processing, improved energy efficiency, and more robust AI capabilities. In addition, the rise of quantum computing could further influence the development of AI hardware. Quantum processors, with their ability to handle large data sets and complex calculations, could potentially work in tandem with custom AI processors, creating a powerful combination. While we can't predict the future with certainty, it's clear that custom AI processors will play a significant role in shaping the future of AI hardware.